Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Cayenne side mirror. This process involves a few careful steps to ensure no damage occurs. We will begin by gently pressing the mirror glass inward on one side, creating a gap. Then, using a plastic pry tool, carefully detach the mirror glass from the opposite side. Remember to disconnect the two electrical connectors for the heating element and the main mirror power once the glass is free. To fully remove the mirror housing, you will need to detach the interior door panel. Start by carefully prying off the small interior side mirror trim piece using a plastic trim tool. Next, locate and remove all Torx screws that secure the door panel. There are usually 3 or 4 of these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the door panel away from the door, as it is held by several plastic clips around its perimeter. Once the door panel is loose, but not fully removed, you will need to disconnect several electrical connectors. First, detach the main electrical connector for the door control unit. Then, carefully release any cables, like the door handle cable, from their mounting points on the panel. Next, pull the main electrical connector for the mirror power lead from its module. Finally, carefully pull any cable retaining clips out of the door panel to fully free it. Now, for the mirror housing detachment. Locate the 3 T30 Torx screws that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. It is highly recommended to use a long, magnetic T30 Torx driver for this step to prevent dropping the screws. As you remove the last screw, be sure to support the mirror assembly to prevent it from falling. Finally, carefully guide the entire wiring harness and its grommet out through the opening in the door frame.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.